Have you ever wondered how the immense heat stored in our oceans actually moves around, influencing everything from local weather to global climate patterns? While many processes contribute, diffusion plays a nuanced but significant role in ocean warming, primarily through a more dynamic form called turbulent diffusion rather than simple molecular diffusion. It is not the primary driver of large-scale heat transport, which is dominated by ocean currents, but it is essential for the fine-scale mixing that distributes heat. At its most basic, molecular diffusion involves the random movement of individual water molecules and dissolved substances from areas of higher concentration or temperature to lower ones. Think of a drop of ink slowly spreading in a glass of water. In the vast, turbulent ocean, however, molecular diffusion is incredibly slow and only truly significant over very small scales, like a few millimeters. For ocean warming on larger scales, we are really talking about what oceanographers call eddy diffusion, also known as turbulent diffusion. This is the much more powerful process where large and small swirling eddies, driven by currents, winds, and tides, effectively mix warmer and cooler water parcels. These turbulent motions break up thermal fronts and spread heat across vast distances, both horizontally and vertically, for more efficiently than molecular motion ever could. The effectiveness of this mixing varies. Horizontal eddy diffusion is generally more vigorous due to broad ocean currents, while vertical eddy diffusion is often inhibited by density stratification, especially in the upper ocean. Understanding these diffusive processes helps oceanographers create more accurate climate models and predict how our oceans will continue to absorb and redistribute heat. Scientists measure these mixing rates using various tools, including specialized temperature and velocity sensors, as well as observing the dispersion of inert tracers in the water. Satellite data also provides insights into surface turbulence that drives some of these mixing effects. By quantifying how heat is diffused, we can better forecast changes in sea surface temperatures, marine ecosystems, and even global weather patterns. Two key concepts here are diapicnal mixing and isopicnal mixing. Diapicnal mixing refers to the vertical diffusion of heat across density layers, which is crucial for moving heat from the surface into the deep ocean. This process is generally slow due to strong density stratification. In contrast, isopicnal mixing describes the horizontal diffusion of heat along layers of constant density. This form of mixing is often more efficient because water parcels can move along these layers without encountering significant resistance from buoyancy forces, allowing for faster heat redistribution across vast oceanic basins. So, while large-scale ocean currents might grab the headlines for massive heat transport, the often unseen and complex world of turbulent diffusion is quietly, yet powerfully, working behind the scenes. It acts as a critical moderator, ensuring that the heat absorbed by our planet is not just moved, but thoroughly mixed and distributed throughout the ocean depths, profoundly influencing Earth's climate system.
If you love learning about water, like, subscribe, and keep exploring with us.